In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Shopify app subscriptions. This is an important step if you're looking to optimize your expenses or simply declutter your app usage. Managing your Shopify subscriptions effectively ensures that you're only paying for what you actually need and use. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. Start by navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard. On the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you'll see an option marked as Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the bulk of your store's operational settings are housed, so finding your way around here is always helpful. Next, take a look at the left side panel that's now visible. You'll want to select the option labeled Plan. This section deals with the core administrative aspects of your Shopify account, including billing details and subscription management, which is exactly what we're looking for today. Once you've clicked on Plan, you should now see an option that says View All Subscriptions. Clicking on this is your next move. This selection is crucial as it brings up a detailed list of all the app subscriptions currently tied to your Shopify account. It's a handy function to regularly review to ensure everything aligns with your business needs. At this stage, you will see all the subscriptions that you are currently paying for. Review this list carefully. With Shopify, it's quite straightforward to manage these app subscriptions. You simply choose the ones you wish to cancel or remove. Whether you find an app that is no longer useful or discover a subscription that you signed up for by accident, you have the power to discontinue these payments here. This is really all there is to it when it comes to managing and canceling your app subscriptions within Shopify. Keep this routine part of your business operations to maintain resource efficiency and financial health. Remember, routinely checking these details helps avoid unnecessary expenses and ensures you're getting the best value from your Shopify account. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to manage your Shopify subscriptions. It's a small but mighty task that keeps your online store running smoothly. Keep checking back into this section whenever you need to review or amend your app subscriptions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your Shopify store with ease